Hey there, welcome to our channel, and if you want to find deleted apps on iPhone, then here's how to do it. First, you just need to open the App Store, then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from here you just need to go to the apps, and here you will find some applications with this cloud icon, download and cloud icon. So this is the application that might be installed at the past on your device, but it's not available right now. But from here you can just single tap on this cloud button here, and it will start download or install that account on your device. So you can just tap on this cloud icon and you can just download it from here. So, and some of them in this, not on this iPhone, there you can see all of those apps are ready to install on your device, but it was once installed on your device but not available right now. So some of these applications are already associated with your Apple account if you have used it or download this app in your old iPhone. So you can also get all those applications listed there also. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.